Obviously, I can create a list for all software around the world, and essentially that it's for create the project folder for structure folder for VFX or CGI tools. You can also go here and choose, for example, others. Inside others, you can custom software. For example, you can create Photoshop or Affinity, or also, I don't know, maybe also Office or Excel. You can create, for example, Excel, and you can create the name of your file. For example, as you can say 001, the version 1. You can say only the still frame in this case because it's the file Excel, maybe for create your custom I don't know for why you should be use Excel for something maybe you want. You can give you here, for example, also the task you want. You can create the custom folder and you can do it. Okay, template not found, but it's create for you also the structure like this. You can also delete this or you can create another kind of software you want.